Your guide has returned with another relaxation technique, which is called Jackobson training. This training consists of alternately tensing and relaxing the muscles. Exercises are performed while controlling the breath. Inhale when tensing the muscles and exhale deeply when relaxing the muscles. So let's start. Raise your eyebrows high. Imagine how the muscles that move them work. Maintain the state of tension for a few seconds. Relax your eyebrows consciously. Squeeze your eyes shut. Feel the slight vibrations that make your muscle tense. Open your eyes after 5 seconds. Move your nose in all directions. Wrinkle and hold it for 5 seconds. Clench your jaw muscles and teeth. Feel all the muscles responsible for eating, smiling and speaking tense. After 5 seconds, exhale deeply and release the tension. Press your tongue against the palate. Feel your entire mouth tense. Hold this state for 5 seconds and release it. Do it for all muscles on your body. After exercising the muscles of the selected part of the body, take a break and spend it calmly, lying on your back combined with steadily breathing. Like, subscribe for more and have a good day like me.